Hello guys. Good evening all. So we are discussing about the robot framework, Siguli library automation framework, right? See, and again one more setup we need to do. We need to configure PIP. So PIP is nothing but a package installation manager. So whatever the packages, no. So PIP is responsible for all the packages in the Python. Okay. The PIP, no. When you install the Python, by default PIP also comes with the Python. If you install the Python, PIP is also installed. So like that, pip by default comes with the Python when you install the Python version. And we need to set the environment variable. So configure pip means configure this pip path is there, right? Wherever the installed path, no, pick that path and set as an environment variable. I'll show you how to do it. But you understood, right? When you install the Python, automatically pip1 will come and sit in your project. Okay. So pip is nothing but package installation manager. Go to your PyCharm IDE. This is your project, right? Okay. First, you need to find out where pip is installed. Okay, for my system, go to C drive, go to C drive. See, Python I have installed here. Okay, Python, go to Python here. So you can see, right, scripts, go to scripts. See, pip got installed here, pip.exe. Okay, pip got installed. So copy this path. What you need to write, what you need to do here, we see, for me, I have visited recently. So what you know, go to advanced system settings, advanced system settings. Okay, advanced system settings, set it as an environment variable. Check the path. See, for my system, I have already done the, I have set it on this pip in the environment variable. So you can check here. See, Python scripts. I copied this only path. I copied this path. Where is it? Where is the folder? Okay. So this path, no, I copied this. See Python scripts. And you can check in the environment variable C10 C drive Python scripts. So I have already set up. So you can do the setup in the same way. So to confirm now whether pip got installed, you have configured as an environment variable or not. Just type command. Go to command. Just type pip. So you can see, right, usage pip. It is giving install packages, download all the packages, check. So pip, I have pip in my system. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.